Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. There is a problem on polynomial. Look at the board. If p of x is equal to x to the power 26 and show minus 98 and p of a is equal to p of b dot dot up to p of z is equal to 0, then find the value of 99 minus a into 99 minus b, so on 99 minus z. This problem from polynomial. Okay. At first, we can write if x minus 2 is a factor of f of x, so f of 2 is equal to 0. This is a rule of polynomial. Otherwise, if p of x is equal to x to the power 5 plus a x 4 plus b x cube plus c x square plus dx plus e, and p of a is equal to 0, so x minus a will be a factor of p of x. There will be another factors, but when p of a is equal to 0, so x minus a will be a factor of p of x. Clear? Now we can write therefore p of a is equal to p of b is equal to p of c dot dot p of z is equal to 0. So x minus a, x minus b, x minus c dot dot also x minus z will be factors of the polynomial p of x. Clear? Now we can write as identity form. We can write as identity form x minus a into x minus b into x minus c dot dot x minus z is equal to this polynomial x to the power 26 minus 98 x to the power 25 minus 98 x to the power 24 dot dot minus 98x minus 98. Okay, implies that x minus a into x minus b into x minus c dot dot x minus z is equal to x to the power 26 minus 99 x to the power 25 plus x to the power 25. We can write minus 98 is equal to minus 99 plus 1. Okay, similar rules we can write 99 x to the power 24 plus x to the power 24 minus 99 x to the power 23 plus x to the power 23 dot dot minus 99x plus x minus 99 plus 1. Therefore, or implies that x minus a into x minus b into x minus c dot dot x minus z is equal to x to the power 25 common, then x minus 99 plus from these two numbers x to the power 24 common, so x minus 99 plus from these two number x to the power 23 common, x minus 99 dot dot and so on, plus x minus 99 plus 1. Clear? This is an identity. Now x is equal to 99 put on both sides. This is an identity. So putting the value of x is equal to 99 on both sides. Both sides 99 minus a into 99 minus b into 99 minus c dot dot 99 minus z is equal to, here if we put 99 we can get 0 because 99 minus 99 0. This term will be 0. Similarly this term will be 0. Also 0 0 up to this term. Last term plus 1 is equal to 1. This is answer. So 99 minus a into 99 minus b dot dot 99 minus z is equal to 1. Clear? Okay.